There's power in silence. There's power in taking the time to observe and listen and give the stage to others. In this landscape, I need to be a quiet, subtle presence. It allows me to amplify other people's voices. I've been working in northern Kenya for 10 years, watching this story of coexistence, of communities coming together to protect what's left. The story of the Vitale Elephant Sanctuary is one of them. The first indigenous-owned and run elephant sanctuary in all of Africa. And when I met them, it was just a dream. Everybody said it was impossible. But they were never giving up.
If we give up, she'll give up.
That's what kept me glued to them. And it's been this beautiful journey to see it evolve into something powerful, something that can inspire all of us.
Amy, be careful.
Naughty thing, you.
Sweet thing. Do you remember?
There was this moment when Shaba, the matriarch of the herd, accepted me. She walked by me and brushed her trunk up alongside me, smelled me, and just kept going, and allowed me to be in the center of all of these babies playing. I just understood at that moment I was accepted by the herd.
Hi, Shaba. Hi, you beautiful girl.
And I knew that the camera actually made a difference because it was silent, because I could just move along without a lot of gear and get these close, intimate shots. It mimics exactly how I am in these spaces. When I'm working in the field, I need to be immersed and connect to the story, and my gear needs to become invisible. Light, durable, adaptable. That's what I need as a journalist.
Do love to untie the shoelaces.
I can switch seamlessly between shooting powerful still images and video. I can run along with the elephants because of image stabilization that's built into the camera.
Mike, that was funny.
I can come out from around the camera and see whether it's elephants or people face to face, because there are these really intimate moments where people I love are opening their hearts to me. I need to be able to look them in the eye and hold their hand and share this moment together. And as a filmmaker and storyteller, I really believe that quiet is essential. The silent shooting mode allows me to get closer. They're not afraid. There's no sound of the shutter hitting. There's this intimacy and trust.
I just want to check this all out. You're so sweet.
I'm gonna die of cuteness overload right here. These cameras are empowering. They're empowering me, they're empowering communities, they're allowing us to amplify these important, beautiful stories. I'm Amy Vitale, and I'm a photographer and filmmaker.